Every month I have so much fun making pins and providing printables for you to resell in this membership club. And every month, as long as you stay a member, you can have all of the previous months pins and printables. So it's really, really, really cool. So let's take a look, just starting with June. I show you how to do the Done For Me Canva pins. And this is what June looks like. And then you go to the next section of each month and you get printables. You get 5 printables that you can resell as is. Okay, so let's go there. So here's a Pinterest tracker printable with PLR rights. And you can resell these as your own on Etsy or shop with a PayPal button, Gumroad. This one takes a minute to load. Actually handmade this one. Baking tips. Morgan Night printable. PLR book review printable. PLR weekly planner for kids. And then for July, here are the Done For You July pins.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me
Free. Oh, oops. Okay, so you got me singing with it. And you can download these any way you want to. You can download them as still pins called static pins. You can download them as video pins and upload them to Pinterest. You can upload them as GIFs, any way you want to do it. Okay, so that's July. And then here are the July printables. Super cute. Goes to July 2022 to February 2023. And as we get past that, I'll update that. Then you have this one is so cool. It's called a $5,000 savings channel, and it helps you save. Let's zoom in a little bit. It helps you save $5,000 when you get to the end of this chart. I love that. And then here's a similar printable, how to save $456 in 30 days. And then a daily planner with a time tracker. PLR monthly budget tracker, heart themed. And then here's the August Done For Me pins. Canva to go in and edit these any way you like, any color, move the words around, change the text. I feel like I've done the groundwork for you. You can use them as is. Again, you can download each of these pins. There's 10 for each month, and you can download them as JPEGs or videos or GIFs for Pinterest, your choice. And then here are the August printables. It's a daily planner, monthly review for each month, PLR life assessment, PLR Wheel of Life tracker, PLR pet sitter notes, and then here's September. Okay, and then moving on to the printables for September. Remember, as long as you remember, you can download all of these. Fall planners, fall notes, fall to-do list. And then we move to September. I'm sorry, last one in September, fall scripture journal. And then October, that I just loaded up. So let's go back and you can see the pins just created. Okay, and then let's see, we're going to go to the October printables, Busy Mom Collection, and this one's called Upcoming Events. And then this one's called Keep Track. And this one's so cute, Weekly Planner. A master to-do list for fall. That's one of my favorites right there. I love that. And then Wheel of Life Fall Girl Collection. How cute is that? Now this means that you have in your hands all of these printables and pins, but you say, what do you do with them? Load each of these printables up onto an Etsy shop and then use these pins to advertise them on Pinterest. That's what you do. So you've got the thing to sell and you've got the pin to sell it with. okay? And you can customize those any way you like. Okay, that's it for this one. Talk to you soon. Bye now.